This is how the vehicle was returned to me this morning. The driver claims it popped out. The driver claims there was a popping noise and the mirror popped out by itself. Now, I don't want to be immediately assuming the worst of people. It is a pretty old car with a lot of miles and we have some bad roads here. It is technically possible that this can pop out, but when you walk around and you see this, then I'm like, hold on, wait a minute, something ain't right. I can see how this can pop out, but this to pop out, it needs some impact. So where did it pop out, I ask? Let's go there, maybe we can recover this part. Maybe we can put Humpty Dumpty back together. We go there, sure enough we recover the part. And I also noticed there is a pretty big and full garbage can knocked on the ground. Driver claims there was no impact between the mirror and the garbage can. Further inspection found a pretty good bruise on the garbage can also. I don't know what to believe now. You tell me if this can pop out by itself right next to a garbage can knocked on the ground. I didn't even see this, but this is fresh, and this is just coincidentally the same color as the garbage can lying on the ground. I mean, this must have been a good contact. Okay, let me give you a quick update. It's 2 weeks later, but we did put Humpty Dumpty back together again. There are some new and shiny parts. Not everything was fixable, but we did put the old cover on top of the new parts so we don't have to paint it. But it's all fixed and working now. Of course, this is here to stay, and this is here to stay, but the mirror is fixed. And I know people are gonna go crazy in the comments, who was the driver, who did this. Let me tell you right away, I did not make this video to point fingers and blame people, so don't even go there with your questions. But I will say that my wife owes me $150 now.